Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install this stand to your PS5. So first we get that stand here. Now we get the PS5. So I have the disc version. What you do is line it up and then plop it on here. Should fit right in place. Once it's in place, you screw. You can use a screwdriver to put it together, or a coin maybe. I'll use a screwdriver. Let me grab it. Okay. Then screw it in here. Sure it's nice and snug. Okay. Once it's nice and snug, just turn the PS5 around. Mine's a little dusty, you need to clean it. And here you just plug in USB-A cable into the USB-A port. Right. And now you can add this to the side for your headset. So this is clip onto anything, so it just sits on there. And there you go. That is how you install the stand on your PS5. Right? Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.